there, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter inside of a Chevy Cobalt. The cabin air filter is actually located inside or behind the glove box in this case. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is clean out your glove box. And that's just because, of course, it's all going to have to drop and fall out otherwise. So in this case, my glove box is already cleaned out. So the first thing we have to do is, you probably can't see it in this video right here, but I'll change the view in a second, is there's actually a little clip right here. So what you're going to want to do is just take something like a screwdriver or any other device that you feel like prying with, and you're basically going to pop this little clip out on this right side. So I've already loosened it, so I'm just going to pull this out, and I don't know if you can see it, but basically it's this little circular clip that actually just holds in place, and it's on an elastic cable. So once you do pop that out, you're actually going to take pressure on both sides and push in, and when you do that, it causes this to fall out. Once you have the pressure on each of these sides, basically it just loosens it and falls down. And these are the little clips right here that I was talking about that are causing that. As for that little elastic cable guy, that's this guy right here, and it's still just sitting up here. So this is now dangling. We should be able to pop this out either by lifting up usually. There we go. So I just basically put a little pressure upward, and that caused that to fall out. All right, so once you have the door off of the glove box, basically what we have to do is, there are these three clips. There's 1, 2, 3 clips right here. And what you're gonna end up doing is, you're basically just gonna pull back on those, and it's gonna loosen them. So you're just gonna hear a little click, like that. 1, 2, and 3. And this door, mine was a little stiff when I did it, but basically you just can pry it back. Just kind of push the clips back, and it should go down far enough where you can pull it out. So mine hasn't been changed in a while, and it's really, really dirty. So I'm just going to take the screwdriver and grab this, and it should just cause it to fall out. But basically you can just pull on this, and your cabin air filter will just come out. Boom. So now the actual cabin air filter is out, and you would basically, to do these steps in reverse, basically put a new cabin air filter back in right here, and then once you do that, you would close this back up, put the glove box back in, and you'd be good to go with a fresh new cabin air filter. If this video helped you, or you liked it in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Please watch our other videos, and if you'd like to see anything else, please leave a comment in the description. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it.